Rick Salmon here. We just finished shooting the overview for my latest KelbyOne class, Uncovering the Magic of Utah's National and State Parks. In this class, I'm not only going to show you the most magical places in Utah, we're going to visit two of my favorite locations in nearby Nevada. I'm going to cover composition, exposure, lenses, camera settings, and even a little bit of photo processing. We're going to start in Arches National Park. Close to Arches is Dead Horse Point State Park, which in my personal opinion is just as stunning as the Grand Canyon. While in the area, we're going to take a jet boat ride on the Colorado River, which is a ton of fun and offers some really cool photo possibilities. And I'll give you a quick tour of Goblin Valley State Park. From the Arches area, we'll move over to Bryce Canyon National Park. Our next stop will be Zion National Park. The towering red rock formations here are simply awe-inspiring. I'm Rick Salmon. Come check out my latest class, Uncovering the Magic of Utah's National and State Parks, only on KelbyOne.com.